What if a few clever kitchen gadgets could completely change the way you cook, serve, and entertain? In today's video, we're revealing 15 innovative Amazon finds packed with surprising features, smart designs, and everyday convenience. Stay until the end. You might just discover the one kitchen upgrade you never knew you needed. All product links in the description section below. Looking for crispy, golden fried food without taking over your entire kitchen? The Presto Fried Addy Electric Deep Fryer is a compact solution that delivers consistent results while using just 4 cups of oil. Its sleek design, ceramic non-stick PFAS-free surface, and automatic temperature control make frying simple and hassle-free. Just add oil, let it preheat, and use the handy scoop to lift and serve your favorites. Perfect for fries, chicken, shrimp, and snacks, it's practical for everyday cooking and an excellent choice for anyone who enjoys quick, delicious homemade fried foods. Want to make everyday drinks look a little more elegant? The Perfect water pitcher glass jug combines a stylish vertical pattern design with a beautiful gold handle that instantly upgrades your table. Made from heat-resistant borosilicate glass, it's perfect for serving everything from iced tea and lemonade to hot tea. Simply fill it, pour through the smart dual-purpose lid, and enjoy smooth, mess-free serving. Its slim shape fits neatly in most fridge doors, making it a practical, attractive choice for daily use, family gatherings, or entertaining guests. Need a simple way to create more kitchen workspace? The Titita Acacia stovetop cover transforms your stovetop into a beautiful, functional surface while adding a warm, natural touch to your kitchen. Crafted from solid acacia wood with sturdy metal handles and non-slip pads, it's both stylish and practical. Just place it over a completely cooled stove to gain extra prep or serving space. Whether you're organizing, entertaining, or cooking, this versatile cover helps maximize your countertop while protecting your stovetop, making it a smart everyday kitchen addition. Ready to bring a little frozen fun into your kitchen? The Dash Shaved Ice Maker makes it easy to whip up fluffy snow cones, refreshing slushies, frozen cocktails, and other icy treats in minutes. Its compact aqua design looks great on the countertop without taking up much space, while the simple controls make it easy for anyone to use. Just add ice, press down, and enjoy. Perfect for family nights, parties, or hot summer afternoons. It's a fun, convenient appliance that adds excitement to homemade refreshments. Love eggs, but want an easier way to cook them? The Hamilton Beach 6-in-1 electric egg cooker takes the guesswork out of breakfast by preparing hard-boiled eggs, poached eggs, egg bites, omelets, scrambled eggs, and more. Its compact design includes a handy non-stick skillet that's easy to wipe clean after every use. Simply add water with the measuring cup, choose your cooking tray, and let it do the work. It's a convenient kitchen companion for busy mornings, meal prep, and anyone who enjoys perfectly cooked eggs. Want to turn your tea time into something a little more special? The Geruder Glass Pumpkin Teapot combines elegant design with everyday practicality, featuring crystal clear borosilicate glass, a removable infuser, and a comfortable wooden handle. Watching loose leaf or blooming tea steep through the transparent glass adds a relaxing touch to every brew. Simply add your favorite tea, pour in hot water, and enjoy smooth, flavorful results. Safe for stovetop and microwave use, it's a beautiful choice for daily tea lovers, entertaining guests, or giving as a thoughtful gift. Love smooth, refreshing iced coffee at home? The Maestri House Cold Brew Coffee Maker makes brewing simple with its sleek, space-saving design and easy-to-follow measurement markings. The fine 350 mesh filter helps create clean, flavorful coffee with minimal sediment, while the leak-proof pitcher keeps everything mess-free. Just add your favorite coffee grounds, fill with water, and let it steep before pouring. It's also great for iced tea, giving you plenty of refreshing drinks from one batch. For anyone who enjoys homemade cold beverages, this brewer is a practical, everyday choice. Tired of spending extra time cutting fries by hand? The Sopito French fry cutter makes meal prep faster with its sturdy stainless steel construction and smooth lever design that creates even cuts in seconds. It's easy to use. Simply place a potato or vegetable inside, press the handle, and enjoy perfectly sized strips ready for cooking. Great for fries, carrots, zucchini, and more. It's ideal for family dinners, meal prep, and weekend cookouts. If you enjoy homemade comfort food, this handy kitchen tool is definitely worth considering. Still pouring used cooking oil into random containers? The Chihi grease container offers a cleaner, more organized solution with its durable stainless steel design and ultrafine mesh strainer that filters out food particles with ease. The dust-proof lid, drip-free spout, and non-slip tray help keep your kitchen tidy while making all storage simple. Just strain the oil after cooking, cover it, and reuse it when needed. It's perfect for bacon grease, frying oil, broths, and more, making it a practical addition to any busy kitchen. Ever wanted to enjoy fresh homemade pasta without the hassle? The Sale Novo 3-in-1 pasta maker makes it easy with adjustable thickness settings and built-in cutters for spaghetti, fettuccine, lasagna, and more. Its sleek stainless steel construction feels sturdy while adding a professional touch to your kitchen. Simply roll your dough, choose your preferred thickness, and crank the handle to create fresh pasta in minutes. Whether you're cooking for family dinners or experimenting with new recipes, this pasta maker is a fun, practical tool that delivers satisfying homemade results. Want more control when frying your favorite foods? The Quo Mape Deep Fryer Pot combines a durable stainless steel design with a built-in temperature gauge, helping you achieve crispy, consistent results at home. The removable all-drain rack and drip-free pouring spout make cooking and cleanup much more convenient. Simply heat your oil, monitor the temperature, fry your food, and let excess oil drain before serving. Perfect for tempura, fries, chicken, seafood, and more. It's a practical kitchen tool for anyone who enjoys homemade fried dishes. Hosting a family dinner or party just got a whole lot easier. The Synvivi Triple Slow Cooker lets you prepare or keep 3 different dishes warm at the same time, making meal planning simple and organized. Its sleek design features removable ceramic pots, adjustable heat settings, and convenient lid rests for easy serving. Just fill each pot, choose the temperature, and let it cook while you focus on your guests. Perfect for holidays, potlucks, game nights, or everyday meals, it's a practical addition to any busy kitchen. Ready to make movie nights a little more memorable? The Nostalgia Tabletop Electric S'mores maker brings the fun of roasting marshmallows indoors with a safe, flameless electric heater. Its compact design includes handy trays for graham crackers, chocolate, and marshmallows, keeping everything organized and within reach. Simply plug it in, roast your marshmallows with the included forks, and build your perfect s'more. Ideal for family gatherings, game nights, or cozy evenings at home, it's a fun appliance that creates delicious treats and lasting memories with every use. Fresh, homemade juice is easier than you might think with the Ninja Never Clog Cold Press Juicer. Its compact design and powerful auger handle everything from apples and carrots to leafy greens, while helping reduce clogs for a smooth juicing experience. Choose between 2 pulp filters to get the texture you prefer, then simply press start and let it do the work. The anti-drip lever keeps your countertop clean, and dishwasher-safe parts make cleanup easy. It's a practical choice for enjoying fresh juice as part of your daily routine. Looking for a faster, more flexible way to cook? The Impava Flex 2-burner induction cooktop delivers precise temperature control in a sleek, modern design that works as either a countertop or built-in appliance. With responsive touch controls, multiple heat levels, preset cooking modes, and built-in safety features, it's designed for everyday convenience. Simply place a compatible induction pan on the surface, select your settings, and start cooking. Whether you're simmering sauces or boiling water, this cooktop offers reliable performance while helping keep your kitchen organized and efficient. Now it's your turn. Which of these kitchen gadgets was your favorite, and which one would you love to add to your home? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with friends and family for more amazing Amazon product discoveries.